The production process of COB chips for track lighting. Remove the oxidation layer and dust from the PCB board. Place the red adhesive at the center of the PCB copper file. And attach the crystal element onto the red adhesive. Place the PCB board with the attached crystal element into the oven to cure the red adhesive. After curing is complete, separate the PCB boards. Clean the bonding area with an ionized air gun before crystal element bonding. And use a 1 mm aluminum wire for bonding the crystal element to serve as a substitute for the chip. Conduct preliminary testing. Place the qualified products on the heating platform for preheating. And use an automatic dispensing machine for dispensing adhesive. Bake and then conduct further testing. This is our COB chip. Contact us.